guys, how's everyone doing? So it's been something I wanted to do to my car for a long time. I've been on the fence about it. A lot of people have been saying it's a great thing to add to your car. Not only does it look good, but it also does a great job at protecting it. So I went ahead and did it. And I think it makes a huge difference. Not just the look of it, but also how it's going to protect it as well. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I just did and why I think so highly of it. So I went ahead and got the windshield tint done. I've been on the fence for years about doing this, but I also seen a lot of these TLXs where the leather will start bubbling on the dash just from the intense heat. So I went ahead and had 50% ceramic done, and I'm really happy with it. I was gonna go 70%, but everybody said you can't even tell. This is basically clear film. So I went with 50, and I didn't want it to be too dark. Now this is kind of overcast here. The sun's not shining on it, and then right here is full sun. So you get an idea. And really it all depends on lighting, because when the sun's directly on it, you can't even tell it's tinted. Like you can still see the screen here, the top of the steering wheel. So it's not pitch black by any means. I mean, you can see right in still. But this is with the sun directly on it. But overcast, it looks really dark. But I'm happy with it. It definitely cuts the heat inside on the dash. I can tell 100% difference. It's so much cooler. You don't have all those rays beating down on the dash, and I want to keep this car for a long time, so I'm trying to do everything I can to protect it as long as I can. And I love the sleekness that it adds to the front, just that little bit of tint. And here's inside, looking out. Like I said, not a huge difference. My side windows here are 35% ceramic, and then the front windshield's 50%. So windshield's of course lighter, and then I only have 35% on all the sides. So it doesn't look quite as dark. If you had 20% on the sides and you still went with 50, of course, it's got to look darker. And I kind of like the smoke look. And again, no matter how dark you go, it's still protecting from the UV rays. And that's the most important part. Other than it looks sleeker, it will protect the inside of your car, keep it cooler. So I'm really happy with it. Like I said, night and day difference sitting in the sun, and you come out to your car without putting a sunshade in. It feels substantially cooler. And I had no issues getting it done. A lot of people have had it done, said they get sensors. Just find a reputable shop that does it, that puts plenty of towels down so when they squeegee, the water doesn't go behind the dash and mess with electronics. But I've had no issues with it. The sensors work all the same. It's perfect. Now, here, same spot, but this is a rainy, gloomy day, just so you can see. You can't even tell it's on. Once you have it, you'll get used to it. You can't even tell the difference. And even driving at night, no difference. But I will say one of the main benefits that I've noticed is when you're driving, and everyone has bright LED lights now. We're included in that. You don't have that intense glare when you go against them. Before, it was almost hard to see your lane when you're going against a car with the newer white LEDs. This cuts a lot of that out, so it's not nearly as intense. So again, I just wanted to show you what I did. Some people are against it, some people are for. But again, I just wanted to do something to protect the interior as much as possible, just because I've seen scenarios where someone's car sits outside a lot and the leather can start bubbling on you. So this is a great way to block the UV rays. And like I said, using a sunshade helps as well, but this way it has it all the time. Even when it's not sunny, you have UV rays coming through. So this protects it all the time. And what I've noticed a big difference on is the back of the screen here doesn't get nearly as hot. Before, when it was 90 degrees outside, you couldn't even touch the back of that screen. Now it's substantially cooler. So all this kind of stuff for the longevity of your vehicle will make a difference. These computers, you heat them up really hot, they will start acting finicky down the road. So again, I like doing things that'll help with the vehicle, and also gives it a little bit more of that aggressive appearance as well. So again, if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get back to you. Until next time, guys, take it easy.